Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 15th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen, I've been saying for the last few days that this could be the end of a pullback right here, the end of a wave B, which I still think it could be. But the thing I'm not liking about this is that when you have the end of a pullback, it normally should be very obvious. It should be very, very impulsive. It should go down, and it should give you that break of structure. This move down so far is looking a little corrective. It may just end up being a pullback to the last wave up. It may end up making another higher low and continuing up again. So we have to be careful assuming that this really is going down already. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely am still recommending shorts for traders, trading the 1 hour time frame and below, because we do not have a break of structure to the upside yet at a Fibonacci level. But if we do get a break of structure at any one of these Fibonacci levels to the upside, then I definitely would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again, because the higher time frame trend is for sure still up on the daily and the weekly. Yes, there is a gap down here that hasn't been filled yet, but sometimes gaps can take weeks or even months to fill. This potentially could trend up on the daily for another several weeks and then turn down and eventually, a month or more from now, fill this gap down here. So definitely be careful, trying to trade based on gaps because they do normally fill. It's just a matter of when do they fill. Sometimes it can take months for it to fill. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.